Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add a payment method on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a payment method on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I've already logged in over here. And after logging into your account on your Steam app like this, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner where I'm hovering right now, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your account details option, which is the second one. Click on your account details and you'll land on this kind of interface where you can see, guys, there it says the add a payment method to this account. Click on add a payment method to this account on this interface, and this kind of interface will appear, guys, where you can see, guys, we can add a bunch of types of card as our payment methods over here, ranging from Visa card to JCB with MasterCard, American Express and Discover card. Choose any one of these payment methods which you want to add on your Steam account and enter your card number, whichever may it be. Enter your expiration date, which will be at the back of the card, as well as the security code. And after that, enter your first name, your last name, your city, your billing address of your card over here with the zip or postal code, and your billing address which is on the card. Enter your phone number over here and click on continue. And on the next step, guys, this payment method will be saved on your Steam. And guys, this is how to add payment method on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.